this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the 12 Days of Christmas. Our theme today is signs, and our hosts are Brenda at Rustic and Lace DIY, Krista at Krista's Crafty Life. Please check out their channel in my description box and the amazing creators in the playlist to see what other signs has been made today. And if you haven't, please subscribe because there's a lot more DIYs coming. We got our cute little Santa Clauses. We are going to cut out a circle. And it doesn't have to be perfect, which is good for me. And you want it bigger than your circle. Okay, now I'm going to turn this part over just. Okay, we're going to add our hot glue along the edge and start to turn it down. Then I'm going to do some slits. Okay, just pleat this around, and some of it that's excess, you can trim it away. Just like this, there's a little excess. I can just trim that away. And there's our Santa on our sign. Next, we're going to do some candy cane print. And we're going to do it the same way. Only I'm going to leave some excess to fold over because we don't want this to show. Yeah, we got it from Hobby Lobby, but we don't have to advertise it. Okay, let's start with folding those words down because we don't want those showing. Now we're going to do the same. It's basically like upholstering it. But I couldn't paint a Santa like this. And if I want a cute Santa door hanger, this is a good way to get one if you can't paint him. And I can't paint a Santa. I've tried. My Santa looks like he's drunk. Which is nobody says, I want the drunk Santa. That's when I learned I wasn't ever going to be anything but a gnome or snowman painter. I wasn't going to be somebody or scarecrow. I couldn't paint people. Nope. Okay, here's what we have. That piece is sticking up. It's bothering me. So's that one. Okay, here's what we have. I think it's cute already. We're going to add, and I don't know why. Everything's always 10 million miles away. I'd planned out last night I was going to do another sign, and then I decided I was going to do this one because it was different. Anybody can do this. Just find the fabric of your choice that you want to decorate with, and do a nice print, and then more of a plain on the top. Anybody can do it. And you can do it in your own theme is what's really nice. Just because Melissa does Santa Claus doesn't mean you couldn't do a nativity or a snowman or a gnome. Whatever your Christmas theme is. This is a velvet ribbon. It's really, really nice. I really like working with it. And then we're going to add our word. And you could paint this word if you wanted to. I'm not going to. Okay, I'm going to add this rope right here. This will be our hanger. Then I'm coming back the second time, and this is going to be our finished edge. And I'm using cold glue. If you're using hot glue, you'll have to get your little pink finger that tips out, because you're going to get your fingers in it. This glue's warm, but it won't burn you, which is so nice. My other glue gun is so hot, it's literally gave me 3rd-degree burns. That's when I switched over to this one. When your girl became a sissy, I got a 3rd-degree burn on my leg because the glue spilled down my leg while I was making a video. And it took forever to heal. That ended, I don't hardly ever use that glue gun since. My husband said people with bad eyesight and extremely hot glue guns don't mix. I found this stuff after Christmas last year at Hobby Lobby. And this, to me, I love how the finished edge is turning out. Really makes a difference. I'm gonna just take this and finish it to the back. I normally do a bow, but this one I think I'm gonna just add a little bit of greenery here at the top. Just wanted to add some leaves. Here is our door sign. Well, it could be a door sign. This would be cute in the bathroom for a bathroom door. And I deliberately made it not perfectly straight, so if you wanted to hang it on an angle, it would still look okay. How do you like it? Do you think that's a different? I thought it would be a different idea for a round sign.